Hello and welcome to today's episode of Noshin' with Nashies. We are going to do a pimento cheese BLT. For that we will need some bread. I have sourdough, that's what I wanted to use. Some cream cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, bacon, tomatoes, lettuce, pimentos, onion powder, garlic powder, mayonnaise, and Worcestershire sauce. Okay, I'm going to show you what makes this pimento cheese BLT a little bit special. What I've got here from my pack of bacon, I've taken out and I have cut my bacon strips in half, as you can see. We are going to lay them out together like this, close to each other, and we are going to weave the bacon. And it's a very simple process, like so. And you see how we have this square here? That is how we are going to bake our bacon, is in this square. And we're going to do this with as many pieces as we want sandwiches. This was 3 pieces of bacon. Let's see. I believe I can do another one to show you how I did this. Let me cut these in half. Show you one more time. Again, this is 3 pieces of bacon. You lay them out like so. And then we are going to weave them together. So one goes like that, and then you flip up the sides. One goes in the middle. There we go. Then we pull this one like this. And we will bake these for about an hour in a 350-degree oven, turning them halfway through. Okay, now for this part, I have placed 8 ounces of cream cheese in my bowl. I have half a cup of mayonnaise. I have 4 ounces of diced pimentos that have been drained. I have 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I am going to put in a tablespoon of mustard because I like it in there. You can leave this out or keep it in. And then we are going to do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I am measuring by eye. That's what I do. Half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a couple of shots of Worcestershire sauce. Glug glug. Okay, I'm going to mix this up with my hand mixer. I am going to turn this off right now and then turn it on and do a speed thing and show you how this all comes together. Here you can see the consistency, nice and mixed together. We want it to have texture, we don't want it too creamy. So I'm going to place this in the fridge while I am baking my bacon in the oven, and I will show you how to assemble our sandwiches in just a bit. And here we have our bacon coming out of the oven. All right, now everything is ready, and I have toasted up a couple of pieces of my sourdough bread, and I will show you how to assemble the sandwich. We want to take a nice helping of our pimento cheese spread. Spread that all over. Just gives a nice little kick to this sandwich. Makes it something special. And then we take our bacon, which has been woven. See how that works out? You get a piece of bacon in every bite. And we take our tomatoes. Some nice fresh lettuce. And, oh, should I cut it that way? Should I cut it this way? All right. And there we have it. This is a pimento cheese BLT. Thank you so much for joining me for this episode of Noshing with Nashies. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.
Boy? Baby? Hi, sweetie pie. Hi, sweetie pie. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Baby, baby.